sustainability is the outstanding challenge for this generation of students. We push them to do something much more sophisticated than they ever thought they could do. They're not just going to come in, get a solar panel and a battery charger and show that that works.
A lot of people just think you put a solar panel on your roof and you're done. It's actually more complicated than that. There is a lot of design, a lot of constraints. The technology is not as easy to apply, which is certainly a good thing to know in today's world.
I came in with no prior experience. This is kind of like a whole different ballgame, you know? It's not really a typical subject that you would have been taught in your average core curriculum at school. Honestly, I like it a lot. Just working with the circuits and being like, oh, that works now, yes!
First, they do kind of a practice project, which is solar cars. So using solar energy to get a miniature car to move. And we end that with sort of a fun contest.
We basically had a competition tractor pull with their solar-powered vehicles. It's always a lot of fun. The competition aspect really pulls the teams in a way that nothing else does.
We ended up winning the whole thing, like out of all different sections. It was pretty fun.
So they see how a whole system goes together right from the bottom up. That's a skill. And it needs to be developed. And it needs fun things to do, you know, to develop it. You're most motivated to do things when you're having fun with it.
At the end, they can pick a project that they think it makes sense to address using green energy.
The students will work in teams. They will conceive an idea of something that might be useful in the world that will use solar power, and they'll build a prototype and demonstrate that it works. Nobody phones this one in. Every single lecture, every single thing that they do in the laboratory through the whole class funnels to this final day in its presentation. Hopefully it's a sunny day outside in Michigan. We actually walk outside the building. Everybody's got their device. It's a lot more like a real-world engineering experience, and they get to show off a little bit. If you like physics and chemistry and math, this is the kind of engineering that you should be doing. But I believe actually that they would be addressing the major challenge of their generation.